You may have noticed that most AI image generators that were free in 2024, such as Lumen AI, are no longer free in 2025. Now, if you're someone that generates a lot of images for your projects, you may be wondering which AI tool to run to for free, quality, and unlimited AI images. And for that, I got you. Before we get started though, if you're interested in knowing more about AI tools and how to use them to make your everyday work easier, this channel is all about that. So consider hitting that subscribe button. Also remember to like and share this video so that more people can benefit from it. Without wasting time, let's get started. First, we'll go over to QuenLM. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So once you're here, you can sign up using any email address that you have or your Gmail address as well. Now, once you're in, this is what you'll see. So the first thing that you can do is go ahead and choose the model that you want to use. So right here, you can see all the available models and their capabilities. So depending on what you want to do, you can go ahead and choose the model that you want to use. So in this case, I'll choose 2.5 plus. Now, remember, this is a large language model such as ChatGPT and DeepSeek. But in this case, you'll also be able to go ahead and generate images as well as videos with this. Since this video is about image generation, I'll just go over and click on the image generation button. Now, I've done another video on video generation. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description box below as well. Now, once you're here, you can see all the kind of images that you can expect to generate. And from this drop-down menu right here, you can go ahead and choose the aspect ratio that you want to use. In my case, I'll just go ahead and choose 16:9. So once that is done, now the next thing that you need to do is just go ahead and input your prompt. So to get started, I'll just go ahead and input a very simple prompt right here in this prompt box. And in this case, I'll just go ahead and generate an image of a girl that is just seated under a tree reading a book maybe. So once you've input the prompt, next you can go ahead and hit the enter button to start generating your images. So the image generation process is actually really fast. So I'll just go ahead and read this out. So now here we have our image, and you can see the quality is actually really good. So the thing with this AI tool is that you have to go ahead and input the style of image that you want to go ahead and generate in the prompt, because if you do not do that, you may not get the exact type of image that you want to go ahead and generate. So if you want to generate a 3D pixel style, you have to input that in the prompt. If it's a realistic image, you have to also specify that in your prompt. So in this case, I'm going to generate another type of image with using a different style, that is, and I'm going to input that in my prompt right here, as you can see. Then next, I'll just go ahead and click on the enter button, or just click on this button right here, and the image will just be generated for me. So again, here is the image. As you can see, the quality is really good. So if you're using tools like Leonardo AI and you're limited by the number of images that you can generate per day, this is a very good alternative for you. So again, remember, you can only generate one image at a time. You cannot generate a lot of images concurrently, but then the image generation process is really fast, as you can see. So now here we have another image of a realistic girl that is just seated at the bar with a glass of wine in front of her. So you can see the quality of this is really good, other than this something weird going on with her hand right here. But other than that, the quality of this image is really good. Now, if for some reason you're not satisfied with your image, you can click on this regenerate button, and it's going to use your exact prompt to generate another image. So here we have an alternative image, and you can see this is just good as well. So you can just go ahead and regenerate as many times as you want until you have an image that is satisfactory to you. Now, as you can see, we've been using very simple prompts to generate our images. Now, I want to go ahead and use a very detailed prompt, and I want to see if this AI image generator can go ahead and execute this prompt as well as Leonardo AI would. So I have input a prompt that I generated with ChatGPT right there, and here we have the resulting image, and as you can see, this is just so good. Like, it's just as good as an image I would have gotten in Leonardo AI. So like I said, this is a very solid alternative for those looking for a free AI image generator. Now, I'll just go ahead and create another image right here. So I want to create an image of a baby that is just sleeping in a crib. So let's see how that one turned out. As you can see, the image is really good. It's very realistic. So basically, this is it. Go ahead and try this tool. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.